Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear in an upside down U shape and just clip this on top of the head for later. Next, divide off a small section at the nape of the neck and apply some heat protective spray and just brush this through the lengths of the hair. Then, taking sections no wider than your curling tong, I'm going to twist wrap these sections around the barrel of the tong, making sure that it doesn't lay flat. This will just give you nicer waves. Hold the hair for however long is needed and then just hold it for a few seconds in your hand once you release it and let those waves down. And we're going to twist the other section exactly the same. Make sure that you're wrapping all of your hair in the same direction because we want to create waves. And it really is that simple, so we're just going to work our way up the head, twist wrapping the sections, all in the same direction. Once you've got everything curled, apply a little bit of dry texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then take a wide tooth comb and gently comb through those curls to create your waves. Release that top section down, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides. And then, just to control my client's flyaways, I've just added a little bit of wax spray. Holding onto the hair at the base, I'm going to gently pull it up whilst twisting it once and then push it towards the head and hold onto it. And make sure that you pin all around the outside of that little loop that we've just created at the top. Then I'm going to use a few bobby pins to just really secure that twist at the side. Gently pinch and pull at that loop for a little bit more texture and volume. And I'm going to curl the rest of the hair that's left in exactly the same way as before. Make sure you comb them through with your wide tooth comb. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.